everyone, welcome to another recording from Christian Screen It, the Art of BI, that is the Art of Business Intelligence, theartofbi.com. This recording is going to show us how to install the OBIEE Content Accelerator framework. As you can see, I've downloaded it already here, and I've already gone about unzipping this, but what you can do is just right click, extract files to here. You will come up with a temp folder for the installation. Simply take that temp folder, copy it, and this needs to go into your default OBIEE installation Oracle BI folder. It needs to just get dumped right into the base root, so we're just going to paste it in. There you go, right there. Now we're almost money. And the first thing that we need to do per the instructions is just first confirm that you can get into Catalog Manager as is. As you can see, I've got that set up here. Let me just see if I can actually get into it. I should have no problems at this point. I'm just verifying that everything is working as it should. So I'm going to come here, open the catalog, enter in the password, and of course I can see what's going on here, so I know I'm in here correctly. So let me just close out of that. Now, before I actually run the installation, what I need to do is delete one of the default jar files. But because I'm deleting something from the default install, I want to go ahead and back that up first. So I'm going to go ahead and just archive this puppy off. So let me just archive it here. I use WinRAR. Some people use zip, WinZip. I like WinRAR a lot better. I think it works better. Better compression. So it's going to take a minute, really quickly, and once I get that, I'm a big stickler of actually logging. Okay, now I'm backing up the entire file folder, but all I actually really need to do is just make sure I back up this guy. This is the Siebel Analytics Web Catalog Manager. So per the instructions, we need to delete this. And what I did is I just took a back. You could just take a backup of this file if you wanted to, but let's just go and get that out of there. Okay, and once we've deleted that jar file, we want to make sure that we cannot open Catalog Manager right now. We should get an error if we come in here and try to open up Catalog Manager. Okay, so perfect. We're missing that file, and we can now proceed to run our installation. So let's locate our temp CAF install, and let's go ahead and launch the install batch. Do we want to continue? Of course we do. Y, then enter. Alright, looks like it's gone ahead and got us set up. So at this point, we're good to go. You see, it's already taken us to an uninstall folder. It did its magic, and at this point, we just need to verify that everything is working correctly. Now, to verify that everything's working correctly, we need to check the actual file paths that have been created during this installation. So, a new version of the Catalog Manager jar file was added during the CAF installation. So let's go check that out. Alright, boom, there we go, step one. Next, 4 new files should have been added to the Oracle BI server bin folder. So let's go check that out. Okay, we're looking for NQ XUDML executable. And there it is. And we're also looking for NQ XUDML Gen and XUDML1, XSD, and XUDML DLL. Alright, dynamic link library there. Alright, and the last files we're looking for are going to be back in the Catalog Manager. So let's go take a look at that. Okay, and content accelerator.properties and synchronizer.properties should have been added. Okay, at that point, the files from the CAF have been added. They've been installed. Now one other file that we can actually go ahead and edit are the two that are existing in this catalog manager root folder. And all we want to do is go in here, right click, edit, and we want to change the log folder attribute path, and we just want to make sure that points to the correct directory path where our Oracle BI, the Oracle _home system environment variable properties are pointing. In this case, on my server, it's on H drive. Done for one. Alright, let's save that. Done for two. Now you will notice that these other paths in here are pointed to C drive. Now what's going to happen is when I cycle through the process, these should automatically be changed. Now if they don't get automatically changed, I'll have a follow-up to this post, and we'll get that taken care of so that you're informed. Alright, at this point I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm going to go ahead, start Catalog Manager, and the way we'll just validate that CAF is correctly installed is that you should see a clone and synchronize command, which we didn't have before. So let's cross our fingers, get logged into the online mode for RPD. Let's see what we have. What do we want to find? Have any bookmarks? No. Let's check out a shared folder. Let's just check out sample sales. Here's a test report I was checking out. If I right click, there you see, now you have clone and synchronize. So at this point, you know, of course, what the whole foundation of CAF is, you can actually take pieces of a request, the full dashboards. You can take all sorts of pieces out here, synchronize and get them cloned. So play with this. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to rock and roll with this. I'm going to keep following up, and this is a great tool, so hopefully you guys use it going forward. Thanks for watching another artofbi.com video with Christian Screen. Appreciate it. Take it easy.